What is cumin seed? Cumin seeds are actually the small dried fruit of an annual plant in the parsley family. The scientific name for cumin is Cuminum cyminum. Cumin seed is an aromatic spice with a distinctive bitter flavor and strong, warm aroma due to its abundant oil content. The plant grows to about 2 feet tall with small white flowers on the tips of its branches. Cumin seeds are harvested when they're ripe and ready to be dried out, which takes about 5 weeks after they've been planted in the ground. It has been used as an anti-inflammatory agent in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Cumin is a popular ingredient in Middle Eastern, Asian, Mediterranean and Mexican cuisines and is one of the main ingredients in curry powder. Cumin seeds are often used to add depth to dishes like lentil soup or chickpea salad. It can be ground into powder or whole seed form for cooking purposes. Buy high quality cumin seeds. What are you waiting for?